enter inside some spiritual things.
You will do great things.
Yes. You understand? Until you all hook me for corner, I know if you continue the whole show. So now you got to pause and first, then more follow everybody relate. You get?
Yeah.
Right now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll get two very, very, interesting and amazing guys in the building. I say interesting just now. One kind of speak from my mouth. Anyway. Now we get two very, very gingeracious, prolific, and wonderful guests in the building. One are from Project Fame, and the other one are from the streets. Ladies and gentlemen, Shola from Project Fame, and of course we get Fisher Loso from the streets himself. Yo! The streets. So Fisher Loso, and of course Shola, Project Fame. One day, anyway, guys, now welcome on top of the show.
Thanks so much.
Sharp. We say we just take on together. Sharp. May I start with the name first? Fisher Loso.
Yes, boss.
Why decide to use Fisher Loso as? What's your real name?
Fatai.
Abdul Fatai.
Yes.
We can't go for Fisher Loso. Shout out for the street, the Loso,
The Fisher.
Fisher Loso. Where do you think it come from?
Na DSTV office.
Yeah.
I tell you.
What's happened? Your workers just say Fisher Loso. Why not?
Martin sent my road pay DSTV.
So-
Now she be the Fisher.
Oh. When I see the Fisher.
So as the man now said, "Hello, Mr. Fisher. How much are you paying?" The name comes sweet to me. Say,
Okay.
see name.
You don't click.
I don't carry the name.
Finish. So
Carry the
Loso.
name. Yes, boss. Then
Loso.
that Loso, because I did, chilling nigga, understand?
Okay.
Loso, that one a slang.
Okay.
One Loso, I'm joined.
Okay, be like the opposite of solo.
Thank you, something like that. You can twist them.
You Loso the
One
thing.
Loso.
Okay. No, they ask names now. Different names they get. So need to they ask where the inspiration come from. Fisher. How we make you Fisher of me? Fisher of me. Fisher. That one's join. Now, Shola.
Yes, boss.
Project Fame and everything.
Yes, boss.
We follow you that year and and then the OP.
Abami.
We know so you get voice.
Abami.
No need to call the form impressive things. But why you decide to maintain your real name? Say Shola.
I mean, because it's real.
Okay.
And I'm a real guy.
Okay.
Definitely. So I just believe it doesn't matter, man. I mean, to twisting. Come on, let me just stick with Shola, like Olamide and all that.
Okay. Well, that's true. That when two different guys and two different perspectives.
Yeah.
You understand? So I say, okay, maintain real name. The other one say, okay, maintain, stage name and every. You don't miss anyone bad. So everybody will get their own different workout for the whole game. All right. So quickly, back to back, sharply. Same question. We'll just answer on our own way. Okay. So Fisher Loso, how many years now in the industry?
Yeah, practically like, let me see, 5 years, Sha.
About 5 years now.
Yeah, but I just enter industry now.
Okay, so professionally now.
Yeah, professionally, I just enter now like 3 months.
3 months. So when I see baby now, so go say, welcome. You are welcome on the show.
Thank you,
Welcome. As the newborn baby where you be.
Yes.
But don't say you get street experience, so.
That one don't
No, that one day. Now be the training
and
ground.
coming
Yes.
artist.
Yeah. So before now you be unknown artist.
Thank you.
Now up and coming artist.
Up and coming.
Shola,
Yes, boss.
before Project Fame,
Before
what did
Project
they
Fame.
happen?
My brother, na music.
Still music.
Definitely.
No say they sell one place.
At some point. I don't sell tire.
If you say you don't sell, because some people they sell land.
No,
they sell must not call.
that one a touche. That one touche.
Increase the AC. Increase the cash me. You know that you go how they for.
So
that one
you?
touche now to the sell land a touche package. You get. I don't say a lot of things, and we don't hustle well, and we're still in the game
so
right
you
now.
can't enter music.
Definitely, I've been doing music all my life.
Okay.
Like I started from church and all that, and a church package.
Everybody.
I still be church boy, no be say I don't. God now my
Everybody.
father now. Sure you get.
Everybody.
Definitely, I started from church.
Okay.
And I at some point. I be music director for my church. Yes, now.
We don't have bling like this.
You know, my
Ah!
forget that one.
If church director feel they be like this, my brother, forget how they go to church. You know, they swag up, say, man, shit, let's because as I see gold go to your body now.
So.
Former church director, choir director, and everything. On the late night show.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
You didn't sing, my bro. You
And
didn't sing,
then
bro.
look this idiot's face.
Eh? You didn't.
His
No,
face
no
is
mind
pointing.
am. No.
People like that have been distractions for this life.
Now. You didn't sing.
You understand?
Eh? Oh boy, I did tell
On
you.
the late night show.
On 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 the late night show.
It's still the late night show.
Still the late night show.
Oh, the late night show.
No.
Oh! Shola! Oh, God! Oh, he touched me!
That's true.
Shola will kill you.
You don't see wetin Shola do. Wetin you do na dey touch you. You all no touch am.
No, man of you just touch me anyhow.
But guy, my boss.
You are the track. Oh!
Correct.
You don't know. You don't know.
That's so nice.
All right, but still on still. Quickly for you now. How many songs is there on board right now? 3 songs right now.
Solid.
3 solid songs. Say the songs that I should just launch enter professionally now.
Yeah.
Or before now.
No, professionally now.
Professionally now.
Yeah.
Okay, so which song? What will be the title of all the songs and so?
Okay, get one Bugatti.
Bugatti. Say that the motto have been a woman.
Hey, thank you very much. You see that Bugatti?
Because now they call women different, you know.
Yes, make I explain.
Jollof rice, Bugatti, Ferrari, women now they're everything. So let us know.
So this one a Bugatti.
Bugatti.
They can't get Ferrari. You understand? So now the two will join together.
So what do you mean?
Bugatti. You supposed to know that one day.
Okay.
Then Ferrari. You supposed to know that one day. Bugatti.
Oh, Bugatti.
Oh yeah.
Ferrari.
Yeah.
Okay. Now late night show.
Yeah,
so it's possible.
So
Bugatti,
and
Ferrari. The third one a Peugeot.
no.
What's it be?
one.
So now name of motor now that be everything.
Apple B-U-T-T.
Apple B-U-T-T.
Sensor.
Okay. No, now late night show.
Okay,
Come.
now late night show. Okay. Let's go.
Apple.
B-U-T-T.
That means the thing that resemble Apple bot.
Yeah.
It be like the story we talk about Brazilian ladies just now.
Thank you.
On the whole level.
So now we did Apple right now be that. Oh, everybody na yeah.
Because I asked my DJ just now, what's be your own? He said your own now.
Nah, Bugatti.
Nah, Bugatti. So that means your own now. What's be your own?
Now the two.
Now the two.
Bugatti.
Bugatti.
How you carry one when I'm two?
You greedy, yo.
Of course.
At least choose one.
For instance, my compound, I will pack them, 2 of them. Bugatti,
Ferrari.
Thank you.
Anyway, make a note to talk on that issue. Because
Okay.
Bugatti, Ferrari, and the final one,
Apple
B-U-T-T.
B-U-T-T.
Okay,
Oh
Shola,
my God, yes, boss.
songs on ground right now.
Yeah.
After Project Fame and everything, what's the
Okay.
Oka be so far?
Okay, after Project Fame, I don't release some couple of singles now.
Okay.
I don't release I Love Naija,
Okay,
which is a very great song.
yeah.
MTN, they use it as collar tone right now, man.
cool.
Shey you get.
Nice
So,
one, nice one.
I don't release Amen,
Okay.
MTN collar tone as well. So, like 4 songs, like all together in
Okay.
just some couple of months right now.
Okay.
And you know, we're still hoping for the best. You know, we're still doing great music.
Okay.
Definitely.
And video day for that particular
Definitely, I
one. All right,
don't
we'll
shoot
see the
video.
video
I don't
sharp.
shoot
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.